Hello guys, Jai Guruji to everyone, and I hope you all are doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to share a makeup tip with you all that would completely change your makeup routine. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, sorry, go check out in the description box down below. And thank you so much for sharing so much of love on my previous videos, and do tell me how the makeup look turned out. And also I want you to share a clip of yours, with me on my Instagram handle. I'll upload that on my channel too. Um, all of you recreating this look, and do tell me in the comments down below that did you like it or not. And without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, and it is Morphe, and shade right here. You can take this one also or this one too for filling in your eyebrows. So I'm gonna take this. I'm going to take a concealer on the back of my hand. I'm gonna quickly take a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna quickly trace this line. So you can see I have done this off camera, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to prime or conceal my eyes. And why is it important? So this is crucial because your eyes are pigmented, right? And if you apply the eyeshadow directly onto your eyes, the pigment will not show as efficiently as it would have if you have concealed all the pigmentation with a concealer. So it is very, very important that you use a white base or a fair or a light complexion concealer first on your eye, blend it with a damp blender, and then do your job. So one question that has been asked most frequently is the shade should be on a pinker undertone or a pink undertone, cool undertone or a warmer undertone. I will suggest that you use a yellow undertone concealer, but it should be fair or a white concealer, because white will enhance the eyeshadow colors more productively, more efficiently. I noticed that I have not powdered yet my eyes, and the eye must have creased. So what should I do? You need to blend the lines like this, and then you need to take the powder and set it in place. I'm just showing you. So this is a translucent powder, okay, and now I'm gonna open it, and it is very messy, you guys. You need to work with it very carefully. So I'm gonna take this like this, dab it like this, okay, and remove the excess powder. Quickly take my beauty blender like this, dab it, and then set this in place. After setting it like this, just इसको उड़ा दो, ठीक है. I'm gonna take a matte shade which is a blush only. So take this like this, right, and then just tap the excess, okay. So whatever you have now, you have to apply on the upper part of your eye. After cleaning it on the tissue, I am going to blend it. There's this product in Swiss Beauty which is a cream tint basically. So I have two shades, and now I'll be using this strawberry one, right? So इस तरीके से आपको अप्लाई करना है. जहाँ पे क्रीज है ना, उससे ड्रैग करके इस तरह से नीचे तक लेके आओगे, ठीक है. और अब इसे क्विकली शिमर शेड के साथ प्लेस कर दिया है. So the next step is going to be the setting spray. Okay, wait, hold on. Use the setting spray and spray onto your eyeliner brush, right? Like 1 or 2 sprids are enough. Beauty right over here, and I'm going to take the pink shade and mix it with this or this and then create a eyeliner. Don't worry, won't mess your palette if that's what you're thinking about. Right, so this way you can create an eyeliner of any color you want. Place the brush like this and follow your lower lash line. And I'm going to cleanse my face. So that all the dirt and impurities can go away. So cleansing, sorry, after cleansing my face, the next step is obviously going to be a toner. You can skip the toner also, but आज मेरा मन है toner use करने का, so why not? So I'm going to quickly, it's not a spray bottle, so I'm going to take the toner on the cotton bud and apply this all over my face. And after applying the toner, let it dry for about 2 minutes. Right. I'm gonna use my sunscreen quickly all over my entire face because this is going to be an epic glowy tutorial. So sunscreen is a must have, as I've told you earlier in my previous videos. If you haven't seen those, please do check out my channel, or you can see the description box also. So just by applying the sunscreen, you can see how much glow it has added to my face. And now I'm gonna mix my foundation with the moisturizer because I do not want the moisturizer to be, very much, and I don't want any dry skin for this tutorial specifically. Okay, and I'm gonna mix these two quickly and dab it all across my face. So after the application of concealer, I'm going to quickly dab the concealer. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे आपने लगाया बस वहीं वहीं पे आपको dab करना है. I'm going to quickly take my blush and concealer and then quickly mix this one. For a liquid blush, you can also use a liquid lipstick. मेरी ब्लश या लिपस्टिक जो भी है वो गिरने वाली थी. Apply this on my cheeks. Right. So once you have powdered the whole face, you cannot use a liquid blush on your face. If you haven't, then only you can use a liquid, because लिक्विड के साथ आप लिक्विड को यूज़ कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आपने पूरे फेस को पाउडर कर लिया है उसके ऊपर आप लिक्विड का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. सो जब तक आप लिक्विड चीज़ों पे चल रहे हो, जैसे फाउंडेशन लगाया, कंसीलर लगाया, ठीक है, उसके बाद आप लिक्विड ब्लश लगा सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर आपने इसके ऊपर कॉम्पैक्ट लगा लिया है, पूरे फेस को सेट कर लिया और उसके बाद आप लगाओगे ना लिक्विड ब्लश, तो क्या होगा, वो पाउडर पैच बन जाएगा। Except my under eye, I'll set the whole face. So that's what you have to do. And you need to remember, if you have set your face, again I'm emphasizing on this point, if you have set your face, you cannot use a liquid product during this part. If you ever feel that you have a line or something, just dab it with a beauty blender and then set it, okay? So you need to turn your face from shiny to matte. For now, I will take a bronzer like this on an angled brush, remove the excess, and then do a pout like this, and this thing, अगर आप ये चीज़ देखो ना, ये जो हड्डी है, this bone, just take the product, dab, and then apply. Right? Sorry for the interruption because light was gone. And now after the bronzer, I'm going to apply a powder blush because I've set my face, and now I can use anything that is powdery. So I'm going to use this Sweet Pea blush, the blush like this, Smile. You can see. Is it visible? Again on the bridge of the nose. यार ये oh shit. I don't know what just happened, but I did it. You guys, क्यों होता है ऐसा? ठीक है यार, हो गया. Honestly speaking, I would have cried by now. Oh my god, my highlighter broke and all that. What should I do now? But I don't know. It's not breaking my heart anymore. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna fix it, you guys. Now for the under eye area, I'm going to take again this blush, okay? I'm going to do my under eye. Just apply this color. So this is the brown eyeliner. And I am going to apply this shade again, and I'm going to blend the brown liner and shadow thing. Okay. So abhi niche, if you want to apply the mascara under, on the lower part of your lashes, you can use like you can use the wand horizontally or vertically, however you want. So I have my lipstick in the color Nude Dream, and now I'm going to apply this because the color I applied earlier was looking too bad. Oh, I like the shade. So as you can guys see, this is my final look. So stay tuned for more, and thank you and bye. Jai Guru.